So in CSS you can also use a pursuit class, which then will allow you to, when you, for example, say dot box or dot paragraph or hashtag paragraph or whatever you want to do, and say colon, and then you can say hover, for example, and then you can say color, background color, green or gray or whatever you want to, and you can do like this. You can even say font size should be 12 pixels. So you can go in and experiment with that, and you can even go in and use something like dot active, or go in here and say dot empty, dot blank, dot visited. So we can actually go in here and say dot visited, and we can go in the link here and say A for anchor tag, visited, color green, so now this is green because we've visited this page before. Not like you have to click on the link to actually make it turn green. You can't just visit Google outside like this. You need to actually click on the link. We can also go in and say, instead, if it's active, we can say blue or black. Blue, sorry, it's already black by default. So now when you click on it, but keep clicking on it, or just clicking on it, it would actually turn blue. And we can say dot focus, we can say all different kind of things, which you then can use to make even more stylings in CSS.